My video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of fake human verification alerts that are related to the site newspuyitu.com. Newspuyitu.com is a misleading site. Right now it attacks Google Chrome, however it may also attack other browsers too. Newspuyitu.com tells you to click on a special allow button supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. However, when people mistakenly click on that button, instead of the human verification, their browser gets hijacked with multiple advertisements. These ads would keep attacking the screen in the right part of it. If you have clicked on allow, surely it was a mistake, so fix it by going to the menu Settings, Privacy and Security Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications. Now pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. You should remove all these junk sites from the list. Finally, I would recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best solution to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.